Yo, want to learn how to start investing in the stock market, even if you're just 13 or 16? If you're from the USA, this video is for you. In just a few minutes, you'll learn what the stock market really is in simple teen language, how teenagers like you can legally start investing, best beginner-friendly apps and platforms, how to start with just $10, and how to build long-term wealth from a young age. Watch this video till the end, because we've got a special bonus waiting for you that can kickstart your journey. So let's start with the basics. Imagine you have a favorite brand, like Nike or Apple. Every time you see a new iPhone or those cool sneakers, you probably wonder, how can I own a part of this company? Well, that's where the stock market comes in. Stock market explained simply. The stock market is like a giant store where you can buy small pieces of companies called stocks or shares. When you buy a stock, you're not just buying a product, you're becoming a part owner of that company. How does it work? Here's an example. Nike decides to sell some of its ownership to the public so that they can raise money to grow. They do this by issuing shares, meaning they sell tiny pieces of the company, like slices of pizza. You can buy a share or a slice of Nike stock. When Nike grows, your share grows in value too. How do you make money? You can make money in two ways. 1. Price increase. The value of your stock can go up. Let's say you bought a Nike share for $10. A few months later, it's worth $15. You just made $5 profit. 2. Dividends. Some companies pay you a small reward called a dividend just for holding their stock. Think of it like getting paid just for owning a tiny piece of that company. Why should you care? The stock market is how many people build wealth. It's not about getting rich overnight, but about making smart choices and growing your money slowly over time. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. In short, the stock market is a place where you can buy small parts of companies, and when they grow and do well, you can make money. It's one of the easiest ways to start